bananas and potatoes. Welcome back to the channel. So, I already got the badge. I'm very sorry. So, how do you defeat the gym leader? It's basically... Actually, yeah. I'm not telling you, I don't want to spoil it. So, all you have to do is basically get all of the fruit in the bucket. So, there's an apple right there, and there's a berry in the bush. I did not go outside yet. There's a banana there, there's a peach there, and basically, if you don't know, the last bridge piece is right over there. You see the bridge thing? Alright, let's move on to our adventure. And guys, and always remember, heal your Pokemon. Hey, banana, over here. We finally caught up to you. It's so glad to finally see you again. Discover new information. You chop down. There's a badge. Yes, indeed. Guys, I know what's going to happen next. It's going to be horrifying. It's very, very sad. Yes. Yes, of course, Tess. I would love to. I'm actually a girl. If you don't know, yeah. Unleashing Booba. Real, it sounds like a plan then. We love to blah 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 blah. So guys, it contains rock climb, so you get rock climb after you defeat the sixth gym. So Porydex is blah blah blah. Alright, it's something. Thank you for help. No problem. Blah blah. Alright, but now we're back and save everyone. See you, Frostville. Alright, Tess. Can I stop, Tess? Don't smell my back, Tess. Tessa. No, Tess! Don't go in there! I wanna go with you. Alright, stay there. Guys, always hear a Pokemon fart. Guys! Rhyhorn. Alright, so if you have like a ground type or a ground type or a bug type, they can learn rock climb. Alright, let's go out of the Pokemon Center. Guys, which way are we going now? We're going the way the tests go. Guys, whoops, I forgot to bring... Whoa, I'm walking on my freaking hoverboard. I need to get repels. 1 sec, guys. I put on my repel so that Pokemon will not scare me. And even you guys. You don't want me screaming, Pokemon! Pokemon! Oh my gee, there's a Pokemon. Oh, Pokemon trainer. Alright, I see Tess. She's right over there with... Okay, I'll use a max repel. Because I don't like Pokemon popping up at me and then I scream, ah, Pokemon! Alright. You won't get away with anything! We are going to stop you. Yeah, who's we? Oh, good, you're here. I made it this far because running into this guy blocking the path out. We are expecting new members of. You are welcome to join us. We should mention that we are not taking no for answer. There's no way we ever joined your groups of deebs and lunatics. Not after everything you've done. You've taken our friends and family, almost destroyed an entire city. We do what we have to in order to save mankind from its foolish ways. Don't you want people in Pokemon to be happy? That's all we want. You people are all brainwashed into believing your foolish leader's ideals. People in Pokemon are happy the way they are. Professor Cypress just can't see it. He's allowed years of overanalysis to twist his perspectives in reality. God, quit talking. You're wrong. All of what you say is wrong. We will prove to you the truth of our words in a battle. If you win, you will have no other choice. We accept our truths and join Team Act clubs. That's most insane thing I heard in a long time. But now I'm going to leave it to you to crush those losers. I have no doubt that you can conserve them to leave. Who you're calling loser? You think we are going to lose to a kid like you? Don't think so. Let's go. I went easy on you, kid. I didn't want to see our newest ringer cry at my hand. Yeah, whatever. Guess it's up to me then. We're not through with you yet, kid. Yeah, you're can't be kidnapped, aren't you? Oh yeah, I thought you recognized you somewhere. I saw you the day you kidnapped me. That was got him. We begged not to harm you. We should take you too if we are gone playing with your new Pokemon. Enough! We are here to offer people membership in Team Eclipse group. All who join will be allowed safe and passage to the new world. What do you say? We will never join the likes of you. You people will destroy this world and see a new world fail as people and Pokemon stop helping each other to progress. You think that people and Pokemon are existing in harmony? But, really, we grow from each other. Why must you destroy everything in order to see that? I'm only trying to help you two. Banana, don't you want to be with your family? And Tess, if you come with us, we can be all safe. Professor Cyber is very close to discovering the secret to King Hoopa. When he does, this world will be left desolate. Can't you see that I'm trying to protect you? Wait a second, how do you know my name? Tess. Please forgive me. No! It can't be! Jake! Jake? That's what I said. Yes, it's me. But how could you do this, Jake? You don't understand, Tess. They are going to leave this world in ruins. My best opinion was to join them. Come looking for you guys, then bring you back with me. I can save all of us. Will you please just stop all this fighting and come back with me? Do you hear what you're saying, Jake? You are fine with that Cypress wants to do to the world as we know it? He's going to destroy Aurora and with it all of its inhabitants. How can you be okay with that? I'm doing everything in my power to help you right now, Tess. What else could I have done in my situation? We are supposed to fight Team Eclipse together, remember? You and Banana and I were going to stop them together. We were going to do whatever it took to stop this horrible tragedy from us occurring. Instead, you seem to have given up and taken their side. I'm sorry, I tried that and I was beaten. I was not strong enough, and now I'm trying to do what I can to save you both. This is my last offer. Will you please give in and come with me? I'm sorry, Jake. We are in a mission. We're not about to give up. And I'm left with no other choice. Now we must fight. If I win, I will take you with me by force. It's for your own good. If that's how it's going to be, then fine. You are both my best friends. I thought for sure you would listen to me. Listen to yourself, Jake. Yes, we are your friends, but you've joined forces with our common enemy. I know your capture was not easy for you, but we were on our way to rescue you. You lost your faith in us, our mission, and you joined their side. Sorry, Tess. I wish I was stronger for you and Banana. We will leave now. I would look for you again in case we change your mind. Jake, you don't have to do this. Goodbye, Tess. I cannot believe this, Banana. After all we've been through, Jake has turned against us. I'm not sure how much I can keep this up now. You and Jake were the reason I left home on this adventure. Jake was such an inspiration to me, and now he's done this. This encounter has hurt me so deeply. I don't know if we can encourage the energy to keep going now. No, we can't give up. Jake needs us more than ever. I know that he's still good at heart. He's just confused right now, that's all. He's been worried about how physically strong he and his Pokemon are. He still doesn't realize that physical strength is not important. It's the strength to always do what's right in face of adversity that must follow too. We must not give up. We must help him learn that. Well, are you ready to push us forward? Good. I'm glad that you are strong. We can do this. After all, we have something they need. Can't move forward without the key. Your necklace is the missing key to the puzzle to unlock Hoopa. If we can help it save out of their hands, they are stuck with. Give us space. Alright, Tess, bye. Right, yeah. Latios and Ludos. Yay. Alright. Oh, man. Alright. We're in Frostville. Hooray! Always hear your Pokemon first. So this is the gym. It's basically a dark gym. So guys, do you know you can jump? Oh no, I almost fell. No! And I fell. Pokemon trainer. Wake up. Shadows don't sleep. Alright. No, Pokemon is the gym leader. And always remember, guys, talking to gym leaders, never turning back.